completing Excel's Big Five functions. So far in this Excel journey, we've explored 3 of the 5 essential functions that every spreadsheet user should know. Now it's time to round out our collection with the final 2 functions that will complete your Excel toolkit: min and max. One finds what's too small, and the other finds what's too big. Finding the smallest value with min. The min function is your go-to when you want to find the lowest value in a range of cells. It's like having a metal detector for numbers, but it only beeps for the smallest ones. Let's try it out. I'll type equals min and press the tab key to select it from the list. Excel will add that first bracket for us. Now we just need to tell Excel which numbers we want to search through. I'll select this range of cells here, C3 to F3. When I hit enter, Excel tells me that 5002 is the lowest value in that range. At a glance, I can see that January had its lowest sales back in 2026. Finding the largest value with max. As you might have guessed, the max function does the exact opposite. It finds the highest value in a range. It's like the eagle-eyed friend who can spot the tallest person in a crowd from a mile away. Let's type equals max, select our same range of cells, close the bracket, and hit enter. And there it is, the maximum value, which occurred in 2025. Copying formulas like a pro. Now, if you're like me, you'll want to apply these formulas to other rows too. Let me share a nifty shortcut that will save you time and make you look like an Excel wizard. I'll select the 2 formulas I've already created, along with all the empty cells below them. Then I'll press Ctrl D, and like magic, Excel copies the formula down each column. Let's double check to make sure everything worked correctly. I'll click on one of the cells down here, and we can see it's now calculating C14 to F14, where the lowest value is 2533. Perfect. Ctrl D is one of those little shortcuts that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. It's perfect for when you need to copy formulas into multiple cells quickly and efficiently.